Meet two twins, same age, same education, and the exact same start. At age 22, both begin their careers, earning exactly the same income. But then something small happens. Twin A invests. Twin B spends.
Year after year, the same habits repeat. Small decisions begin shaping different futures.
By 30, neither twin feels rich, but their money is already moving in different directions. At 40, compounding starts working for Twin A. His money begins earning money. Now the gap becomes visible. The power of compound growth is accelerating. By 50, Twin A owns assets. Twin B still depends on working for income. At 60, one twin has built wealth. The other wonders where all his money went. The difference wasn't intelligence, luck, or salary. It was one decision repeated for decades. Your future is being built right now. The question is simple. Which twin are you becoming?